okay. I just
Oh.
yeah, so they see how we eat.
Very nice food. Yeah.
Yeah, you see, we can add ketchup. We have
Oh yeah.
we
I
added
can
some
add- I
oil,
can add some salt
butter.
as well.
Yeah, salt. Yeah, there's quite a lot of salt in the ketchup
Yeah.
in
I
my
think
mind. Yeah, but like you want.
Not much.
You can even add an egg to this. So, well, this one is cooking, so it's plenty of food.
Yeah, you have plenty of food.
Yeah, I just want to show these people, you know, so
yeah.
they don't have to starve here. Yeah, let's have a look at this one, which we get later. Ah, looks delicious. Great. This one is.
Now this one. But this thing is not really hot.
Is it not? Oh,
I like hot chilies.
next time. Next time.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Bawi bili bigi na shulnya. Canada.
Bilibili, yeah.
I should believe
Yeah.
it. Bili
Masha also has some now.